Welcome! This video tutorial will guide you through investing in unit trust funds, using your retirement savings via iInvest. Head to the official EPF website, hover over Member Login. You will be led to EPF web portal. Click on Switch to i-Akaun Classic. Type in your user ID for your i-Account and click Next. Key in your password and click Login. After logging in, click on iInvest tab at the top. Hover over Transactions tab and click Buy. Choose the funds you wish to invest into and input your desired investment amount. Click Proceed to checkout. Click Buy. Review and agree to the terms and conditions, then click OK. You'll be redirected to eUnittrust.com.my, the online platform of Phillip Mutual Berhad. Enter your user ID and password, then click Login. Read and understand the client declarations for the eUnittrust platform and check the box. Verify the investment amount and account details, then click Proceed. Read and understand the client declarations for the iInvest platform and check the box. Enter the TAC verification sent to your registered mobile number, then click Proceed. A summary of your investment application will be shown. Finally, you need to click Next. Congratulations! It is all done.